What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're gonna talk about how to wear that flannel shirt. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics, such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like Brown Thought, salute. Now, without a doubt, the flannel shirt, a classic workwear style staple. One we've been wearing for decades and decades. But did you know it might be a little more versatile than you think it is? Now, I know most guys just throw it on with a pair of jeans and head out the door, but I think you're gonna add a little bit more variety to your flannel shirt outfit. So that's what I wanna show you today. I've got 4 different looks on how you can style flannel shirts. I've got different colors, I got some casual looks, and some a little dressier than you might think of. But not only are we gonna talk about how to rock that flannel shirt, I wanna talk to you a little bit about how they should fit as well. So without further ado, let's talk about how you should be rocking that flannel shirt. Now, before we get into the lookbook, let me talk to you a little bit about how that flannel shirt should fit. Now, it should fit similarly to a dress shirt with a few exceptions. For one, you don't need it to be as slim fitting and precise as a dress shirt. After all, the flannel shirt is a casual shirt, so I wouldn't wear it as slim as you wear a dress shirt. But there are some similar details in the fit. For one, let's talk about the shoulder. Just like with any shirt, you want the shoulder seam to fall right where the shoulder ends and your arm begins. Now, the length of the flannel shirt, just like any casual shirt that you're gonna wear untucked a lot of the time, you want the length to fall around mid-crotch or so. A little above, a little below, you're good to go. And like I said, the sides don't need to be as tapered as your typical dress shirt, but I wouldn't go super boxy either. So now that you have an idea about how that flannel shirt should fit, let's hop into this lookbook. Starting with this first look I have on right here. Now, this is what you probably would call your standard flannel shirt look. As you can see, I've got this red and blue flannel shirt on with a pair of jeans. Now, everybody knows this is the go-to look, easy, simple, but cool. And being as though I love the flannel shirt in the fall, I paired it with my ultimate fall shoes, my desert boots / chuckers. Because the flannel shirt is a bit of a standout shirt, you can keep the rest of the outfit very simple. As you can see, basic pair of jeans, simple pair of chucker boots. Definitely what I like to call your go-to flannel shirt outfit. Now, for our second look of the day, as opposed to the first, we're showing that the flannel shirt not only can be worn on the outside, but you can wear it as a layering piece inside of a jacket. As you can see here, I've got a red and green flannel shirt inside my dark denim trucker jacket. To me, this is a great fall look with all the neutral colors, finished off with my olive chinos. And to mix the footwear up a little bit, to add a little bit of an edge and some sex appeal, my favorite sexy shoes, some suede Chelsea boots. I love how the dark brown suede Chelsea boots fall right in with the olive chinos. Love how this outfit shows you that the flannel shirt, one of the ultimate layering pieces. I can easily see you rocking this on a crisp fall date night. Like I always say, this isn't just about my opinion. Make sure you let me know in the comment section how you like to rock your flannel shirt. We're keeping the layering looks going with the flannel shirt, but this time with the flannel shirt being an outside layering piece. As you can see here, you can either choose to wear your flannel shirt buttoned, or in this case, unbuttoned, showing off the bottom layer, your simple white t-shirt. And what I like to do is play off the different colors in the outfit. You see I have my white Nike Fly Knits matched up with the white t-shirt. And as you can see, all flannel shirts don't have to have red. I love this one that I have on with the gray and cream in it. Another great way to do a layering piece, but maybe it might not be quite as chilly that day, you can use the flannel shirt as your outer layer. And last but certainly not least on our lookbook today, for our fourth and final look, I wanted to show you can rock that flannel shirt, yes, even with a suit. As you can see here, I've got this nice brown and blue flannel shirt under my navy blue suit. Now, one of the keys to this outfit, that this flannel shirt happens to have a button-down collar. Makes it fall under that jacket much more easily. Standard flannel shirt, the collar might have been flopping around a little bit. This one with the button-down collar helps you look a little bit more stylish, sleek, and smooth. Playing off the brown in the shirt, I threw on one of my favorite pair of shoes, my dark brown burnished double monk strap. So as you can see, you can use a flannel shirt kind of dress down the suit, but still look put together. Not only showing you the versatility of a flannel shirt, but the versatility of that navy suit. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how you can wear that flannel shirt and a little bit on how it should fit. Let me know in the comment section how you like to rock your flannel. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.